Well, hello everyone. Beautiful sunny day today. Spring. Beautiful spring. Enjoying being out on the balcony, getting some of the sun. Just feel good. So I want to have a quick little barbecue. Pick some fresh green beans from my indoor garden. Had some sweet onion in the house and a carrot and some celery. I'm just going to do that vegetable wrap pouch for the barbecue. Seasoned, of course. I'm just going to get some butter. And have some brown sugar. Black pepper. Time to wrap this up. So I've wrapped in parchment paper, one layer of aluminum. Turn it over. Just to get a good seal, and I'll close this up and it'll be ready for the barbecue. And to go with those nice vegetables is going to be some loin chops, lamb chops. Just going to make up a little rub for them. And that'll be my delicious meat for this evening. My spice selection will be some thyme, cracked black pepper, chives, some dillweed, rosemary, and some parsley. Quickly put some in the container to make a little rub up. The smell of dill. Some rosemary. Some parsley. Put this pad in too. We'll do both sides. Time to light the barbecue. In the meantime, this gets to marinate in the rub for a little bit. Put her in the fridge. Get the barbecue coals nice and hot, and dinner's coming. Oh, the vegetables are on. I just moved the coals down. You see, made for a very hot bed of coals. Put the grate on. It's big. Don't want the coals to go out. There we go. Chops up. These quicks here. Those vegetables sizzling away. Chops, the aroma, herbs and spices. There we go. relaxing. Just for the last few moments. And close some hickory. Vegetables off. Beautiful. Looks very good. Time to take a taste. I'm savoring at the moment. Sweet. Oh, so proud. My first green beans. Growing indoors, I get fresh green bean. I'm in my 60s, never grew stuff before. Hard to believe, people take it for granted. But I'm getting a kick out of this. Flavors on the lamb. Flavor of the lamb itself. I treated myself very well today. God bless. Thank you all for watching. Those who subscribe and share, thank you. This gives me encouragement, gives me a chance to be creative too, while providing nourishment. God bless.